This video is on the Romantic period, which started in 1798 to 1832. So this is also, I brought some important facts about the Romantic period. It may be helpful for your different type of competitive examination as well as your college semester examination. So the Romantic period started with the publication of lyrical ballad written by William Wordsworth 1798 with the collaboration of S.T. Coleridge. Then the first Reformation Act came into exist in this period in 1832. However, it is worth noting that the science of Romantic literature came in view around 1785 when William Blake started writing his Songs of Innocence. This period is also called the Revival or Romanticism. So Romanticism or Romantic period already started in 1785 when William Blake's The Songs of Innocence was published, but mostly this period considered from 1798 with the publication of lyrical ballad. Then here are some important facts which influenced the literature of this period. And after the French Revolution, it was accepted that every individual was free and equally important. So in this period, what happened after French, you know about the French Revolution. So after French Revolution, what would happen? People started living with the free and equality among themselves. Then small industries disappeared and large industries with a huge capital started. तो यहाँ पे स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री जो होता है वो बंद हो गया, बड़ा बड़ा इंडस्ट्रीज एस्टेब्लिश्ड होने लगा. मशीन्स वर वाइडली इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन कोल्स एंड आयरन माइंस विच मल्टीप्लाइड प्रोडक्शन. मशीन्स वर यूज्ड सो दैट द प्रोडक्शन वाज मल्टीट्यूड, ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन होने लगा. स्टीम इंजन वाज यूज्ड इन शिप्स एंड ट्रेन्स. द ट्रेन वाज फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड in 1830. So in this period in 1830, in Romantic period, the train was introduced and steam engine was used in ships and train. Then industrialization created lots of slums, child labor and labor problems. So कुछ तो डेवलपमेंट हुआ है, उसके साथ कुछ डिमेरिट्स भी यहाँ पे हुआ है, जैसे कि स्लम ज़्यादातर गरीबी बढ़ने लगा, चाइल्ड लेबर बढ़ने लगा, देन लेबर प्रॉब्लम्स होने लगा, देन ट्रांजिशनल सोशल पैटर्न स्टार्टेड चेंजिंग. आयरलैंड वाज यूनाइटेड विद इंग्लैंड इन 1801. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट of Romantic period which had happened in 1801. Ireland was united with the England. Then 1829 Catholic Emancipation Act was passed and religious equality was ensured in 1829. Catholic Emancipation Act, this is very important for your competitive examination. Then use of machine in the fields and industries made a large number of women jobless. Of them many became either readers or writers. So यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, वुमेन जॉबलेस हो गए, मशीन ज़्यादातर यूज होने लगा. Then in 1840 the penny post was introduced. So this is also very important. 1840, this is the year when the penny post was introduced in England. So I think this will helpful for your different type of examination. So go through it and make a notes so that it could help in your examinations. Thank you for watching.